Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, we will be learning how to enable or change to dark mode on CoinTracker. To change your CoinTracker application's interface to dark mode, first of all, open the CoinTracker app on your mobile device. Once you're in the home page or any other pages, go to the settings or the gear icon at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now this will open up several menus on the screen. Click on UI theme. Now choose dark mode. Soon after you choose the dark mode option, you will be able to see your CoinTracker's dashboard will change into a dark theme. Now you can enjoy a more comfortable, night-friendly CoinTracker experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.